up, guys? So Sunday, it's like 8 in the morning. Woke up late, but car is ready, and yeah, I'm gonna head to March Madness. So here we go. Usually we meet up on my block, but my block is kind of fucked up. Well, not even kinda. It is fucked up. So I'm gonna be driving this the wrong way, so I don't have to go through that way. So yeah, I'm gonna probably just wipe her down, and yeah, let's go. Alright, we just got here right now. Waiting for a few more cars to pull up. Good amount of cars right now.
Ryan Little.
How you zoom in?
A couple cars showed up. Well, a lot of cars showed up now. More people pulling up. Getting ready to leave. Whole bunch of people left already, but I wasn't in a rush because it's just getting started. And I just saw a video and everything, and there's not even a lot of people there yet, so we good. We're going to Floyd Benefield, but they shut it down. So now there's going to be in Canarsie. So yeah, and that pool you guys just saw. I went second, third. I was hitting it in third. Did boost cut, so then I let go, went into fourth, and then went into fifth, and I seen my boy coming, and I just stood in it. But the car was hitting boost cut, so but not bad. That car, I think that car makes like 500. A little 300 horsepower car, moves neck to neck, not bad.
I like that left like that. Stage one, that's why.
Oh, okay. This one's just crazy. This one just got tuned.
I'm not with it.
People wildin', bro. This is why the cops come. I don't know who's doing the burnout though, but straight wildin'. That's why the cops come. There hasn't been much going on though. I know I probably washed the skin off my hand already from how many times my hand sanitized my hands, but not too much going on. There's a lot of cars. I'm probably gonna walk around. Assed out. He's assed out. They coming for him though. He went. He ain't going nowhere though. Damn, that nigga fucked it up, boy. Damn, that nigga. Yeah, he was trying to give you his germs. Officer, stop him! Alright, what up guys? So I just got back to the house right now. This March Madness was a disaster. It was literally a disaster. The first spot got shut down, as you guys saw. There was a whole bunch of stuff going on. I couldn't record. My little brother was the one that had the phone and was just, recording the stuff for me. So let me explain to you real quick. So the first spot got shut down. There was a couple people there. Supposedly the cops said they would let it, happen if people wouldn't do no stupid shit. I'm guessing people were doing stupid shit, or a lot of people started showing up. That got shut down, so it was parked on the side. Then we was leaving from there. Then we was going to Canarsie, which both Andrews went. Cops blocked it off, told all of them to get out. So on our way back over there, I went to Flushing Meadows. That's where we was last at. There's a whole bunch of shit going on with this virus going on. I didn't want to walk around or whatever. Everybody was giving me I was telling everybody what up like this. I wasn't giving no handshakes or anything. My skin is probably coming off from how much hand sanitizer I've literally used. It's insane. I was having a crazy boost cut issue. I don't know if it was a boost cut or it was a fuel issue. My gas was literally almost to empty. So maybe it was fuel cutting, which would make sense. So I just put gas in it now. It's over half a tank now. With turbo cars, you know, you need to be like literally half a tank or above, supposedly, because it's not good because of all the fuel that it uses. So I just put gas now. It's over half a tank. So next time I'll take it out, I'll do like a third gear pull somewhere. Because for me to do a third gear pull in that car, I need to be somewhere with open space. And you guys seen, I don't know how well my girl's little brother recorded it, but me and my boy Bums. So I did a little hit. I did from second, third. Then when I was in third, it cut out. So then whatever, I just put it into fourth. Then I put it into fifth. And then I seen my boy Bum coming in his Accord wagon. It's an H fully built, I think it made like 500 or whatever. So I see him hitting it, and then I start hitting it. And then I just let it on. He just kept going. But I'm telling you guys, this car is pretty good for the amount of power that it makes. So just imagine when this car makes the 600 or whatever. So it's gonna go to 600, but I'm probably, like I told you guys before, it's gonna make 6. But I'm probably just gonna bring it down to around maybe like 450 around there, so it could be drivable and not too crazy on the road. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm literally exhausted. This March Madness was really whack. Shout out to everybody that came out to the meetup. It went pretty good. A lot of people left early because they wanted to get to the location early. I didn't really want to leave early because I knew the situation. So shout out to everybody that came by, bought some merch. I brought some shirts with me that bought merch. And thank you guys for watching this video also. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, guys, hit that like button. It does a lot for my channel. You guys have no idea how much it does for my channel. Subscribe. Let's hit 30,000 subscribers. Remember, guys, build to enjoy. Peace out.